My name is Blake with the Electric Bike Company, and today I want to talk about our liner tote bags. Now here in front of me, I have a front basket. Okay, you can see the inside. Now let's say you have something fragile that you want to carry in your front basket, but you're afraid that it might get damaged. So one of the things that you can do is get yourself a liner tote bag, which I have right here. This is an example of one that we carry in our online store that you can find on www.electricbikecompany.com, and let me show you how it's installed. Very simple. Okay. Oops. And there you go. And this can add an extra layer of protection when you're riding your bicycle, just to make sure that nothing gets damaged or broken while riding your bike. And if you have any questions about our liner tote bags, definitely visit us at www.electricbikecompany.com for more information. You can also call us, email us, or talk to us on live chat, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Again, this is Blake from the Electric Bike Company, and as always, safe travels and happy riding.